only three states, that is solid, liquid and gaseous state. First we say that solid has definite shape, definite volume and has mass, and its force of attraction between its particles is very high. So rigid shape, solid has rigid shape. When we change the temperature of solid, consider, you know that ice is the solid state of water. Ice is the solid state of water. When its temperature increases, it comes to liquid state. Liquid state means it is in water state. That is called water. Water is the liquid state of ice. Again we increase the temperature of this water. You know that this water comes to water vapor state. Water vapor. This one is the gaseous state of water. This one is the gaseous state of water. So we can say that this water can exist in three states. The states are solid ice, liquid water and gaseous water vapor. So here these changes occur when only we change the temperature of this one. When we change the temperature, the state of the solid or state of the liquid or state of the gas different. So here we discuss these changes in different terms. The first term is melting. First term is melting. You know the word meaning of melting. For example, same example, that is ice. When ice melt, it comes to water. Ice melt means it come to water. Solid change into liquid state when we increase the temperature. That change is called melting. In example, melting of ice. Melting of ice. Then if we decrease the temperature, here downward arrow means here we indicates temperature decreases. Then temperature decreases means this water comes to solid state. Water come to solid state. Then this term is known as, or the process is known as freezing. You know the word freezing. In refrigerant you use a freezer. So freezing means liquid change into solid state when we decrease the temperature. So here two changes, one is melting and second one is freezing. Another point related to these processes, melting point and freezing point. Melting point and freezing point. Melting point means that is a temperature or constant temperature at which a solid changes to liquid. That is called melting point. And freezing point means the temperature at which the liquid state matter comes to solid. That temperature is called freezing temperature. These two are the phase change of the matter. First one solid to liquid and second one liquid to solid. Then terms are melting and freezing. Another phase changes are, for example, water. When we increase the temperature of water, you know that water changes to water vapor. That water changes to water vapor. Then you know the process. This process is known as vaporization. This process is known as vaporization. that is the vaporization of liquid. That means liquid changes to vapor when we increase the temperature. The process is called vaporization. That process also a phase change, the change of liquid state to vapor state or gaseous state. Then in same equation, if we decrease the temperature, that means when we decrease the temperature of water vapor, that comes to water, only when we decrease the temperature. That process is known as condensation. That process is called condensation. Here this vaporization and condensation also another phase changes. Now we discuss about 4 phase changes. Solid comes to liquid, liquid comes to solid, and liquid comes to gaseous state, and also gaseous state into liquid. And the terms are different. The first one is melting, second one is freezing, third one is vaporization, and fourth one is condensation. For example, when water is taken in a tumbler or any vessel, when we heat this water and cover this tumbler with a lid, then at a particular temperature this water comes to water vapor. Then that temperature is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Then we say that this 100 degrees Celsius is named as boiling point of the water. Boiling point of the water. So we can say that at a particular temperature only a liquid change into vapor state. That constant temperature is called boiling point. In the case of water, the boiling point is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Then same example, if we lower the temperature, then this vapor comes to liquid state. That means if the temperature is equal to 30 degree, or simply we can say that room temperature or room temperature, consider the room temperature is equal to 30 degree. That means in this process we decrease the temperature. That is, we allow to cool the tumbler. Then remove this lid. We can find out droplets of water in that lid. That droplets formed due to the condensation of water. That form due to the condensation. Condensation means just a change of gases into liquid state. Gas into liquid state. Then another example. You know that camphor. Camphor is at solid state. At ordinary condition or at room temperature, the camphor exists in solid state. But when we open the lid of the camphor bottle, what will happen? This solid camphor change into vapor. Solid camphor directly change into vapor or directly change into gaseous state. That change is named as sublimation. So here solid camphor directly change into vapor state. So that process is known as sublimation. So here the question is, give definition for sublimation, or question is what is called sublimation. Then we can define sublimation is only the process of change of solid directly into vapor state without undergoing liquid state. Without undergoing liquid state. That means camphors change into vapor condition. We can't find liquid camphor. We can't find liquid camphor. So we can say that solid directly change into gaseous state. So that process is called sublimation. In this part or in properties of matter chapter, we discussed about the physical state of the matter, the physical state, solid, liquid and gaseous state, and the change of that physical state. The change of the physical states are, first one is melting, then second one is condensation, third one is vaporization, then freezing, then last one sublimation. These are the phase changes in this chapter. That is solid change into liquid, liquid change into gaseous, and reversible reaction, and also solid directly change into gaseous state. These are the phase change occur in the case of matter.